time no voiceover, but today I'll be adding a voiceover to this video where we are going to be learning step by step on how I achieve this head wrap. Here's my aso-oke material. I need elastic band and I need a pin. Now that you have heard what we are needing for today's tutorial, have you gotten them available? I'm not wasting much time on this. I divided the material into 2 equal parts, replacing my hand with an elastic band at the middle, place on my head and cross at the back, right to left, left to right. Adjust all adjustables before I proceed to the next step. Any of the flap that you have left, twist it since they are equal and dip the excess into the band. Divide the other part into 2 and grab one part with a band like this. Don't grab in the excess with band like this. Now, let's go to the next step. Dip the excess into that same band that we have up here. Dip it gently like this. Now, twist the excess gently as well and find a way to secure it down. Somebody is done with that step and we have only one flap left. Gather it the way I just displayed on the screen. Take the excess sideways like this, keep it with band, adjust the side like you are making a rough pleat. Just split it down as much as you can to make it neat as much as you can. Just arrange and arrange. This is what you need for this side. The excess we keep in and wrap it down, and this is the final look, guys. Let me not lie, while I was tying it I was sweating, so you need to take your time if you want to try this out, especially with aso-oke. Rate my work 1/10 in the comment. Thanks for watching.